Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So today again negative day on Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, and how we started is we started on the higher level and then continued the downfall. So so it was a difficult day for traders and specifically the option sellers, because I was just going through before this video I was just going through the Twitter pages of all the option sellers, and I could see that most of them are in red because the moves were wild, and even though they were trying to shift the strangles straddles to the different position, different strike, I think there were a lot of slippages as well, and that was the cause of the negative day for them. And also I mean, there was volatility as well on the call side as well as on the put side, and that's where I think that the day was red. But overall, as we discussed yesterday, so this is on weekly time frame. Yesterday it was a green candle, and today it turned out to be a red one. So it is interesting to see uh, how it behaves in next 2 days, two trading days, and even your RSI has gone below 60, which was acting as a support, which acted as a support yesterday as well, but today it has gone down. So that clearly indicates that we may end up in red, but again there are possibilities of being in green as well tomorrow, because there are 2 more days left for this week to be complete, and then we can see. So key levels on weekly will remain the same like we discussed yesterday. So you can see these are the key levels on weekly basis. So there is a scope that we might go below this, till this point, which is 17,900, right? But that's too far. I mean, let's not think that far, but I'm just trying to emphasize on the key levels of Nifty on weekly basis, right? So that's about weekly. Now coming back to daily, here you can see a complete negative day, similar to what happened on 15th of December. And as we have discussed in one of the video, that these levels like 18080 to 150 or 150, these are the levels which are very important to look for, because from here this was actually acting as a resistance last time. This is very important to see how it behaves in this zone, right? See, resistance, it spent some time here, then started acting as a support. So this is where I can see from today as well, it turned bit bullish at the end, but it was not enough. So this is the key level to look for. So if we break this level tomorrow, so today's low, which is 164, if we break that tomorrow, we are again going down this line, and the targets are 1800 doesn't look safe to me, so it can go below 18,000 as well. So that's one thing. So on daily time frame, we are just following this channel, right? And we can see this on hourly as well. So we discussed yesterday that we were on the upper side of the channel, and today we have closed on the lower side of the channel, right? So this is the channel that we are following since long. You can see, yeah. So this is the upper range, and this is the lower range. So this was the channel we draw, I think couple of weeks back, and we are following this downtrend. And today as well, if you see, this is the trend line where it has taken the support on last 2 hours, and then it bounced from this level, right? So very interesting to see, because this channel is being submerged into this support. So this could act as a support uh, level, and if we don't break these levels uh, for tomorrow and day after tomorrow till Friday, I think there is a chance. I mean, we cannot discard the chance that it can go up. So there are both the possibilities there on Nifty. So on the downside, if it breaks, let's say 18 18080, right? Or even let's say 18050, we are going directly to 17800 or 900. So that's on the downside. And on the upper side, if we are taking out this channel, so here as well you can see today it was trading above this for some time. On 15 minutes chart you can see that it gave one good closing here, and that's where a lot of buyers got trapped, and from here the downfall. So it was important to see how it behaves on hourly candle, if it closes in green or red, and then take the decision, because as we discussed yesterday, the super trend resistance was also there. So there was high chance that it will take resistance and go down, and that's what happened today. So that's about Nifty. Let's see what is happening on Bank Nifty. So as we discussed, RSI was too high and there was a chance that it will go down. So till it goes below 60, we are not bearish on Bank Nifty. And level wise, you can see this could act as a support. Let me draw that. Yeah, these are the levels which can act as a support in this downfall. And there is super trend support as well around 40500. I don't think, I mean, this is too far. Let's not get into that. But on weekly basis, there are only two things. It is very important to see where we close this week till Friday and where this RSI remains, right? So these two things we'll see on weekly basis. On daily basis, you can see it is the RSI, as we talked, it took the resistance here and then started going down. So uh, when it reaches to this 40 level, it will take some support and then try to bounce back. And you can see here it did spend some time. Here as well it spent some time, and then it has gone up, right? So there is some support around this area. So the area is around 41,700 to 40,500 or 600. So this can act as a support. So this is on daily basis, and on hourly basis, let's see what is happening. Hourly is complete red for today. It was the same case like Nifty, where we had this super trend resistance around this area 43,500, and same thing happened. It did spend some time on the upper side. So this was the level, right? Yesterday we discussed that this is the key level. If we break this up on opening, there will be bullishness. So that's what happened. It came down and it actually went up and then again came down, and that's where on closing basis it was not able to sustain above these levels, and that's where this fall came. And this was the biggest candle today on Bank Nifty, right? And same pattern on closing basis as well. So it made a low on your 115 candle, and then for last couple of hours it was trading on the upper side. It is very interesting to see how it behaves. So here you can see there was a gap right at this point, and it has filled that gap, and then there was a bounce back from this, and this was the level I was talking about, that it may act as a support. So these are the key levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So tomorrow again, if you are I mean, don't plan the trades. If it goes down this, don't take the short, because it could act as a trap and we may see a recovery till this point, till 18,300, right? So if you are planning for a short, this is the better place, like upper side of the resistance. And if you are planning for buy, this will be the good, the support side of the channel. This will be the good place. So wait for it. maybe uh, take the decision once you find that it is closing. I mean, it is very important to see how it is behaving on the closing basis, and based on that take the decision. I would say don't take the decision based on 15-minute closing. Let's wait for the hourly closing and then only take the decision. So that's it for today on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So for this week, there is no breakout stock as such. So I'm not sharing anything for that, but we'll keep on sharing the key levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.